a hailstorm taking place now. Hopefully a small one. Seems to have calmed down a bit. Well, I guess that's all there is to that, really. Interesting. Well, there we go, some lightning. It's exciting. You can see it's quite breezy. But you can actually feel the car kind of move back and forth a little bit. Alright, so that's all there is to that. Alright, so I hope you enjoy this, my Facebook friends.